Greetings, Johnny Linoleum here. Today we're going to take a look at the Icon half-inch drive torque wrench. But before we do, I just want to let everyone know I buy my own tools with my own money. I'm not sponsored in any way. The Icon half-inch torque wrench, model number TW12250. Accurate 4% over and under, 90 tooth, 50 to 250 foot-pounds. However, I don't like it. It lists for $140 at Harbor Freight. Way too much. I got it on sale for $105. That's way too much. Now don't get me wrong, it's gorgeous. I mean, the fit and finish is fantastic. The knurling, everything about it is great. But for the price, it should be down to at least 3% over and under. It's barely 4% at that. It's off about 3 or 4 pounds no matter where you set it. If you have access to a torque adapter or you know the string and the weights routine, do it. That'll give you more confidence in using this if you can compare it to something else. Right now, in order for me to get to 85 foot-pounds, I have to set it like close to the 87. Let's see what we got here. $84.6. $84.5. There we go. We're getting better. 84.7. 84.5. It holds its setting. Now, what I can suggest is going this route instead. That's the Craftsman. That's their half-inch long version. I picked it up on sale for $50. The handle's nice. It's easy to adjust. You can see the numbers. And for me, I like it better than the Icon here. Let me put that on there and see what we can get. I don't know why I'm coming in low. Let's try that again. Okay, I have it set at 100. Coming in at 100. 99.2. 99.2. For the money, I don't think you can go wrong with this. Like I said, though, if you can get a torque adapter, it could be Quinn. Anybody makes them. They're all over the place. Do it to check it out. The extra length on this gives you incredible leverage. If you're just putzing around in the garage, doing car tires and stuff like that, this is perfect. It'll work fine. I just think the Icon is too much. And I have a lot of Icon tools. But in this case, I can't go with it. That's about it, I'm afraid. Thank you very much. Talk to you. Oh, tomorrow. I'll give you a little tease. The Warren & Brown 323-500, direct from Australia. This should be fun. It's a beautiful tool. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.